Oh, Jesus. That's something decent. Jesus. Oh, what are ya? Bream. Let's get a look at ya. Oh, where are you? Come on. Oh, Jesus. Come on. Come on. Jesus. Whoa. I just want to have a look at you. Come on. Oh, oh no. Oh. No way. Is that a kingfish? No way. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? A kingy? Oh mate, chill out, chill out. Oi, 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 oi. Come here. Come here. Oi, it's alright, bud. I'm not gonna hurt you. Look at that. Oh, oh. Oh mate. What the hell? Let's try and get the hook out of here. And we'll send you on your way. Oi, oi. Come here, mate. Stop it. Goodbye, buddy. Hopefully I get some of your bigger mates. See you, man. Thanks for the fight. Ah, that was awesome. So, oh, there he is. He's alright. He's swimming away. He's a little bit messed up, but he's alright. He'll survive. Very cool.